everyone. So it is bug season here on the farm. Anytime that rains, gets hot, everything starts thriving, the bugs come out too. They smell their favorite plants and they go right to them. So don't think that just because you haven't seen any in a little bit that they're not going to come right to your plants. They smell them, they love them. And that is squash plants especially. So one of the really big pests, because everybody really loves yellow squash and zucchini, is a squash bug. And I am going to find one for you because they are not hard to find if you haven't checked your plants probably every other day, but at least twice a week. So we can zoom in. All you have to do to find the bugs themselves are kind of mess your hands around a little bit. I think I saw one fly away. And you go around the base of the plant. There they are, mating. Haha, right there. So you can see those a little bit. I'm gonna mess with them a little. Oh, I see a cucumber beetle too. Hey, right there. They are mating right now, which means they're gonna have tons of eggs. They're very prolific maters. So if you didn't have eggs yesterday, you could have them today. And how we get rid of these guys, we have to manually pick them off. They won't bite you. And then we throw them in a bucket of soapy water. Sad but true, if you want squash, you're gonna have to squash the squash bugs. So pick them off of your plant manually. I would keep looking through here. Your best bet is to look at the base and kind of mess it around a little bit to see if you can see movement and pick them off. I have much more to do with that, but I'm gonna show you also how to remove the eggs, which you have to do if you don't want an infestation. So take some tape. I have duct tape here, which works really well, but you can use any kind of sticky tape. And what you're looking for, this is just a little cluster, but I'll find a big one for you, are these little eggs that are usually on the bottom of the leaf. They can also be running along the stem. Anywhere really that they have space to lay, they'll find a place to lay. I think I saw a really good cluster right here. And to remove this, you want to get the sticky tape, and you can just take the same piece of tape, just put it on the leaf. It might hurt the leaf a little bit, especially duct tape, and this is a tender leaf. But you really want to get all of those off. And just go through your plant really meticulously. You'll start to get really fast at this, and just check all the surfaces for eggs. And that's really the only way to avoid an infestation without using really noxious chemicals. After you do this, you also want to dust really well with diatomaceous earth. That stuff targets the buddies with exoskeletons. It kind of cuts them up and dries them out. Graphic, I know, but it is a good way to kind of deter these guys. It's not going to stop them, so you still have to do your checks. Happy squash growing.